Happy Sunday, everyone. As usual, I'm here to share my plan for the trading opportunity next week. I always post my trading opportunity on my Discord group. If you like to see the full trading video and follow my profitable trade, it's very simple. Follow me on YouTube, drop me a comment, then I'll add you into my community for free. Thank you. Couple of things before we start looking at the charts. Last week, the CPI data was higher than expected, so the inflation is still very much the main concern and causing a lot of issue to the market or even everyday living. On Wednesday, we have the FOMC meeting. It's highly anticipated that the Fed is going to raise 0.5% on interest rate. However, if they raise 0.75, that will cause a lot more selling off to the stock market and may benefit on US dollar. So keep an eye on that. So maybe Monday, Tuesday, it will be maybe restricted depending how much pullback that we're going to see on the market. Okay. Bitcoin, Ethereum, we see the bearish move after on Friday. So selling off again. Bitcoin is now under 30K and Ethereum obviously under 2K again. So I'll get into the chart and show you what I see. Thank you.